What are you saying? I don't understand. Did you curse me? Go now. It's slippery. Do you want to swim?
If you swim,
I don't want to swim because I didn't sleep.
Okay.
You can swim with Iglay. After we're gonna eat some Korean restaurant.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
There's a bird.
Let's swim. Small boy. Ano? Hi, Iglay. Hi. Can we record our voice here?
Of course.
Say hi to the vlog.
Can you give me someone?
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Wow.
와우. 지금부터 수영을 할 거예요. 근데 물에 현지인들 말에 따르면 물에 박쥐 오줌이랑 똥이 많다고 하는데 수영하기 싫은데 자꾸 얘가 하라고 해가지고.
What are you saying? I don't understand. Did you curse me? Wait, get your clothes.
Amoy na maligo mo rami na.
Ay, tawa yan. Sini na ba? Ganun ba mo kita sa... Mapang... Oh, boy, did it. Oh. Go, swim.
Oh.
Are you scared? You don't know how to swim? Oh, don't throw your things. Go with Iglay.
Ano pala yung mga latat na matabang?
So we're swimming now with the pea. I don't know what it's. Go swim with the pea. Ari is swimming with the pea now. Pea and poop. Haha.
Lagyan mo ng plastic.
Okay.
Asan nilagay? Andiyan sa loob ng bag.
Jump.
Jump?
Yeah. It's not allowed to jump. Careful. One, two. Why are you scared? Uy.
If I die.
What's your last message?
My last message is my life was perfect. Just remember it.
Go. Fly high. Again? Go now. Iglay. Igley, here. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Wow. Floating. Eri is floating. We can. Look, there's a Korean. Look, there's a Korean. Look. He just threw his phone here. My God.
사진? 사진 볼.
Your phone is inside my bag. Your phone. How's the water?
Well, it's very salty.
Because it's
I
coming
want to
from.
jump again.
Yeah, you can jump. I think. Yo, go.
하나, 둘, 셋.
야 이거 엉달린데 안 잠겨.
There's a Korean. Wow, what a sweet couples.
되게 맑다.
Are you couples? Look, so we're here at Hinagdanan Cave. So that's Iglay. And then